welcome back. If you're new, welcome to my channel. It's Anastasia. I film girly, lifestyle, fashion and beauty videos. So if you're anything that you like, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and welcome to the family. So in this video, I'm going to show you my room tour. This is my room, but I'm going to show you more, with more details in every space. So yeah. So this is my door. So when you enter the room, this is like a mini hall there. This is what you face when you enter the room. And the first thing that I have is this furniture over there. This is custom made. The original color, it was like this, boring wood. And we make it like pink with flowers. I love flowers. My whole room is full of flowers because I love pink and flowers. Another thing like with flowers that I have inside, 3 perfumes Victoria's Secret. I don't have all my perfumes from Victoria's Secret in there. I have only 3. This is broken. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. This is my sunscreen, the best sunscreen ever from Fresiderm. And another 3 smaller Victoria's Secret shower gel, body lotion, and oil. Then I have 3 Sephora mini perfumes and a bar of soap that is the shape of crown. How cute. And a mini flower there. Then I have this lingerie box that I bought in Paris. It was full of macaroons. And my favorite thing in my room are those 2 heels. I mean, how cute. The color baby pink with gold detail over there. I love it. I have the bottle of this small wine. I mean, how cute the color. And this is a diamond, how you said that thing? I don't know. To close the wine. Then my hairbrush, that it's again baby pink with flowers, of course. And I have it there because with the wine and the heels, I mean, how princess is this? Then I have these 2 decorations. You can keep things inside. Cute. I love the thing that they're holding flowers. How cute. And of course the color, and they're matching my bedding. I mean, how cute. And also inside is flowers again. This is my bed, and ta-da! I love this area. I love this area so much. I love the decorations that I have in there. So I have my 2 teddy bears and another one there. By the way, all my furniture, this, and this are from the Lifetime. This is a store there, Lifetime. If you're interested, if you like my furniture, you can buy them from the Lifetime. Then we continue. I have this lamp from IKEA. How pretty. It's flower. And I love the way that it's green. I mean, how stunning. Also the pillows, the big pillows are from Lifetime. And then I have some mini shelves. By the way, the mini shelves are from IKEA, if you're wondering. And I print out this. Some Chanel perfume, Miss Dior bag, Chanel perfume, Chanel bag. And also there, Miss Dior, Chanel. I have this book that is amazing, The History of Fairies. This book is amazing. I had this when I was a kid, but I cannot live without this. I mean, how cute and stunning. The History of Fairies. There I have this shell with a donut soap bar inside. How pretty and cute and stunning. And then I have a flamingo, a candle holder. How cute. Then I have another 2 teddy bears over there and the Eiffel Tower here. My mini headband ears collection from Disneyland. I have all my ears. I keep them there. So pretty much, yeah, this is what I have to my shelves. And then we continue. By the way, I have these blinds there and there. My blinds are from Euroblinds, if you're wondering. They're so pretty and perfect. There I have a wing from Butterfly. How cute. Next I have these boxes from Lifetime and those cute little boxes over there. with full of, you know, boring stuff. At the top, I have two fairies. I love them. And at the bottom, I have a quote that says, "A true love story never ends." I mean, how cute. Then I have this to every box, you know, to keep it like tidy, things in there. So in there, I have some, you know, necessary bags and some boring stuff, like some boxes, my sleep mask, my passports from Victoria's Secret. I have some crowns there from my birthdays. So yeah, this is pretty much what I have in these boxes, in this box actually. Then this is my perfume collection. I can make a video of perfume collection if you want. And then I have some palettes, some makeup palettes, the Huda Beauty, and yeah. Then I have the Tinkerbell. I love Tinkerbell, that I keep things, boring things inside. And this is a packaging of the Forever and Ever Dior perfume. This perfume was over there, that is exclusive. You can only find it in Champs-Élysées in Paris. And at the back, I have a picture from Disneyland with my boyfriend in Disneyland Paris. Vest that says, "Life has two rules. #1, never quit. #2, always remember rule #1. How amazing. And then I have flowers. I love the thing that is vintage style, but it's not. I love it. And there I have house illusion that is small. So there I keep all my stuff, my jewelry, and I have some there too. I'm not gonna go through everything, but I can show you my favorites. Of course, my favorite is Disney parks, the Pandora. This is exclusive bracelet, my pearl necklace, my Guess earrings, and my Guess necklace. Yes, that is set with the earrings. That's my favorite pieces that I have in my jewelry collection. I have all my sunglasses, another 2 sunglasses, my everyday makeup bag, and some oils for summer, you know. I have some butterflies, how cute. Some wooden hearts. And the first row I have underarms products, some makeup removers, and ear pods. I have some face masks, some skincare, some cables, and my Invisalign over there for my teeth. So yeah, I'm gonna show you again one of my favorites. This is my favorite underarm product by L'Occitane, my everyday skincare. So I don't use any of this at the moment, but at face mask, this is my favorite thing. This is charcoal stick from Sephora, and then I have hemp mousse mask also by Sephora, and this spirulina face mask also by Sephora. This is a headband. This is from Victoria's Secret. I have some other makeup, but I'm not using them anymore because this is where I have my everyday makeup. So this is what I use for my everyday makeup. There I have some phone cases. This is from Kimi Luxdoll, if you're wondering. The other are from eBay. And there I have all my makeup brushes. So yeah, this is pretty much what I have in this first drawer. Then at the second, I have all my luxury t-shirts. I mean, that it's expensive with brands. So yeah, pretty much I have all of them in here. And I keep them in here. And then I have some, oh my god, it's full of summer clothes for the beach, you know, that kind of things. It's full, I can't even open it. And at the last one, I have all my swimsuit. Literally, guys, I need help. I have so many swimsuits, but it's okay. It's okay. There I have my office. This is where I'm editing. This is where I am, like, the most of the time. I have my TV that is from LG. And then I have this being from London. It's not from London. I just said London. My chair, it has this little fairy tale fairy princess. I think this is so cute. I have my never full bag always in there, you know, in there because pretty much it's my everyday bag. First of all, and the most important thing, it's my laptop, the mouse, and the keyboard. It's easier, you know, if you're editing with them to have those two. Then I have the Girls Are Queens in this amazing pen. I mean, how sparkly is this? And at the I have this that it says it's gonna be amazing. This is planner. It's planner 2020-2021. It's amazing. This is from Bershka. Yeah. How cute. Then I have this with flower, and I have 2 keys. I have my car keys. I have a Fiat, my dream car finally, my house keys, and I have on it the Minnie Mouse. This is half, the other half my boyfriend have it from Disneyland. And is this one from Disneyland that it's the castle, some sparkle, and the Tinkerbell, and there says also Disneyland, and this unicorn from Tally. I have this again with flowers. This is a candle, and again flowers, and I keep stuff inside. Then this is from my ring holder. I'm gonna show you my 2 favorite rings. I have this ring, Pandora. How pretty and stunning. And also this is from Just Cavalli. I mean, how cute and extra is this? Yeah. And there we are to my everyday skincare routine. So I have this brush that it says Chanel. This is a massager from the Body Shop. Pimple pads that it helps, you know, your pimples to remove easily, to leave more faster. And this is my skincare. I have this moisturizer from Simple. I love this so much. It's not expensive at all, but I love this because it's non-alcoholic, so it helps my skin to not break out, you know. Then I have this Hangover Good to Go by Too Faced. This is a moisturizer with SPF 25 protection inside. And then I have my milk toner, and then I have my toner from L'Oreal. I love them, this combo. Then from Kiehl's, I have this spot treatment. And this is my cleaner case, again with flowers. Guys, I love flowers and pink. So yeah, this is my office. Then we're going there. This is some pictures of my class there and there. I'm not going to school anymore, so this is like a memories. And then I have their picture of my boyfriend and a mirror. And finally, my cupboards. So this is pretty much, you guys, my room tour. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you're enjoying this video. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot to me. We're growing so fast. Thank you so much, guys. Go one by one. Mwah. See you again, guys, in the next video. Bye.